Hello and welcome to this edition of You and the Law. You and the Law sets out to discuss the basic issues of law in society for the understanding of everyone. In this edition, we look into the position of the Constitution as regards the amount of money to be paid to the states of the Federation as derivation revenue from the Federation account. The issue of derivation revenue, 13%, is an issue of law rooted in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is not paid to every state of the Federation, but paid only to states that have mineral resources such as oil, iron ore, gold, and so on. Under the Nigerian law, mineral resources belong to the federal government of Nigeria. It does not matter where the resources are found. The federal government is seen in law as the owner of the resources. What the Constitution then does is to ensure that a certain percentage of the revenue accruing from the sale of the mineral resources is deducted from the Federation account and paid over to the states from where such resources was harnessed. This is the reason behind the concept of the 13% derivation. This percentage is provided for in section 162 sub 2 of the Constitution, which provides that, quote, "The principle of derivation shall be constantly reflected in any approved formula as being not less than 13% of the revenue accruing to the Federation account directly from any natural resources." End of quote. It is from this section of the Constitution that 13% derivation is paid on a monthly basis to all the oil-producing states of the Niger Delta Region, for instance. Depending on the volume of crude extracted from the various states in a month on a monthly basis, each of such oil-producing states is entitled to the 13% as of right. It should be noted that the Constitution makes mention of the phrase, quote, "not less than 13%, end of quote. This means that it can be more than 13%. The law therefore gives room for possible amendment from time to time, but such amendment shall not reduce the percentage below the constitutionally stipulated 13%. I do hope you have learned as much as you can on the position of the Constitution on derivation revenue accruable to the oil-producing states and every other state producing one mineral resource or the other. Many thanks for watching this edition of You and the Law, and do remember to subscribe or follow this channel for regular notifications. I am your host, friend, and lawyer, Ekemini Odim.